Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join this sloka time. 11th chapter, 39th sloka.
वायुर्यमुग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेऽस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते.
Come, let us together enjoy the explanation to Lord Krishna's wonderful qualities. Arjuna says, you are fire, you are air, you are water, you are the moon, you are the supreme controller and the grandfather. Thus, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you 1,000 times again and yet again. This is a combination of different qualities which Krishna himself told in this sloka, which Krishna has told earlier slokas, and the things what he already knows. Now he is talking about Krishna is air, fire, water and all. So that is the sloka 7th chapter 4th sloka. Krishna himself says all the Panchaputa, 5 material elements, they are my extended external energies. I mean separated energies, separated from him. And Arjuna says, you are the moon. And in this chapter itself, it is coming, Sashishurya Netram. He is eyeing the sun and moon as his eyes. When you are the part of, when moon is a part of Krishna, a part of Krishna, say I, then that moon also is Krishna, sun also is Krishna, everything is Krishna. So you are the supreme controller, he says. And Krishna also in 15th chapter he says, as 13th sloka, as a moon, I am making the fruits and vegetables grow nicely. He gives the shine to those through his moonlight, which is cool. And he is the supreme controller, is known to us from 5th chapter, 29th sloka, Sarvaloga Mageshwaram. Arjuna is catching that point of Krishna, that you say you are the supreme controller, Sarvaloga Maheshwaram. And in 9th chapter, 17th sloka, again Krishna says, I am the grandfather of everybody. So, he is offering his namaskars, his pranams, 1,000 times and again. This is the extent to which Arjuna has gone. And we have seen earlier also about, this is from Bhagavatam, when the Govardhana Parvat was to be lifted, he lifted it and then said, because he had told that Indra Puja has to be stopped, so you know the whole story. So all of them were under the mountain. Under the mountain it will be totally dark, whether it's day or night. At that time Krishna's one eye was used as a sun, the other eye was used as a moon. So this is the background for what all Arjuna has told about Krishna. Now we are talking about thousands of times. So the 1,000 word triggered a joke in me. Judges seeing this Kabali, he says, your guilt is proved, so I am giving you 10,000 or 6 months jail. Kabali was surprised very much. Thank you very much, Judge Saab. He was happy. I'll take 10,000. So with 10,000, I'll leave all these things and start a pawn shop and live my life peacefully. He thought judge is giving him 10,000 or putting him in jail. These are the two options. Definitely nobody will take the second option if Judge is giving him 10,000. Hare Krishna.